Hi and welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna start with the floor in the bathroom. There's Anna on her daily walk with the dogs. I am also hopefully gonna do a few things on the facade. We'll see. Maybe move the lawn. Grass is getting a bit long. We'll see how much time I have. But I'm gonna start with doing a line that goes here. And once that's fixed, after Easter, I guess, I will be doing the rest of the floor. But for now, I'm just gonna do a start. So cue the time lapse of me, I guess, mixing stuff and working on the bathroom. Okay, so I've put down some tiles just to do a test fit. And now I'm gonna start with the fix and we'll see how this goes. Okay, the first row is done. It's by far the worst job I can think of. I hate having my hands looking like this. It's a messy job and I'm not a fan of it. I'm pretty happy with the gaps. It's hard to tell, but they're basically as flush as it gets. And that's it. I'm gonna let it sit and then continue on the flooring when we're back from the Alps. This is the old floor with the huge gaps in comparison. Anyway, onwards towards the next little project for the day. So I just had a look at the facade. I can definitely find the old paint. I think I found some reminiscence of the old waves. I'm not sure. Anyway, we are getting the decorator here in a week. So I'll have her look at it and we'll see what we'll do from then. For now I'm gonna do some work here. Try to clean up a little bit. that's the progress. I've run out of batteries. I did the most important bit, so I got rid of the thorns that we have here. Yeah, all of this is chaos. It's full of old trees, tiny trees, etc. So we're gonna have to dig up everything here eventually. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna do any more filming this vlog. We are leaving, and tomorrow we are going back to Sardinia. So I guess I'm gonna end it here. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, until next time. Ciao!